construction consultants, which is already closed. And that's the Golden Haven Business Office. And that's the Horizons 101 Business Office. So I'd like to remind the viewers, this is Mango Avenue, also known as now General Maximum Avenue. So there's an overrun shop for branded products there for clothes. You can see the signs of the Sinulog. We'll be passing this Mango Avenue when the festival happens on the 3rd week of January. This way, this is the old Fuda supermarket. That way is going to the Redemptorist Church. So now you could understand why Mango Avenue is now the famous red light district here in Cebu City. And then the reason why is here. You can see the bars, adult bar and grill. You can see one there right now is called Bamboozers. Where there's Dancing Girls and Planet X, another adult bar and grill. Here you got Red Chair, Tattoo, and All Star Sports Bar. Here you got Wild Red Roses. They're even hiring mama sang, waitress, barmaid, dancers. You got the Aquarium Bar, the Mango Avenue Resto Bar and Restaurant. So there's Planet X, and you got the Mango BNC Bar. So now you can understand that why Mango Avenue is the new red light district here in Cebu City, because of the presence of these bars around here. There's, what's this? Cebu Eric the Red Bar. Like about half a dozen more or less bar. And what's ironic about it, it's beside Iglesia ni Cristo Cebu. Really near the big church that has been here for years. People that's familiar about Mango Avenue know that this exists before the bars, before it even became the red light district. Now you can see around here, that's going to Ranudo Way. That's the crossing to Ranudo Way, but you cannot left turn on this area, the Bisoto extension. And we're going straight on. I'll just end where the former Mango Avenue is, before it becomes a General Maximum and then extended on. But that's going to Ranudo Ramos Street, and this is the Vicente Soto extension going through this area. Of course, you know that is University of San Carlos Boys High School. So this is the River Gate that used to be a resident. Now it's become a commercial center. Even the last house that's standing there has now been destroyed to extend the commercial center. that's the river gate. And this is the old bridge that I know people live under this bridge. Nagya pa yung puyo diha, kuya? Sa una naman gud ka nagpuyo diha. Wala na? So that's the old bridge that needs to be cleaned up beside University of San Carlos Boys High. Unsa on din dili kuya? So they're making extension beside the bridge. This is from Ford. Look, that's Ensure National Road System Project Rehabilitation, major repair of present bridge, General Maximum Branch along Cebu North Road. The project contract cost is 8.644 million from the DPWH office. So this is the University of San Carlos Boys High School. It's been there for decades as well. So they'll be building a new building here in the front. That's the proposed building. But this is the USC, University of San Carlos North Campus. So this is Mango Avenue. We'll be ending where Dole 7 Department of Labor, the regional office is. That used to be the ending of Mango Avenue. I think you still be familiar with this kind of scene here. And another prominent thing that is familiar here in this area is the Lighthouse Filipino restaurant that is across there. So it's still the same one except for this new building on the back that's being built in that way there, and there's a motor repair shop or more community multi-purpose, and there's the hotel that's owned by the Lighthouse. So it's still the same thing. So that's Mango store. You can see they still name it Mango because this is used to be the Mango Avenue, and in the old times, the old pictures that before it becomes a road, lines of mango tree lines up this road. That's why where it get the name Mango Avenue. And you can see the buildings up there. Nothing much has changed in this area except for buildings on the back and that hotel on the back called the White Knight Hotel Cebu. And of course, in this area, like I said, one will always look for the old Filipino, very popular restaurant, the Lighthouse Restaurant. So that is the Lighthouse Restaurant that you can remember. And you got motorbikes for rent in there. the same stuff. Nothing is built much except from that one in the corner of Colegio Immaculada Street, a school right across where the Sacred Heart School for Boys used to be. It's now a building. But as always, beside it, Mango Avenue used to just end here. Now you can see all this souvenir shop. And this one here used to be a gasoline station, but now it's Jollibee. So here is the end in the crossing where Mango Avenue used to be. It's now the Sacred Heart Condominium, Dole Region 7, and Immaculada Concepcion School.